Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool object here, and pretty much what this is a hanging luggage organizer that you can use in your luggage, and when you guys do take it out, you can hang this on your room or wherever you guys do use it, which is pretty cool. So this is actually very convenient for you to use when you guys are traveling, especially if you guys do put it into your carry-on bag, because it pretty much works as a packing cube and an organizer for you to use. So this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the inside looks like. So they do give you guys the hanging option for the use. So there's two of them. So that way you can get very good support when you guys do use it. And then here we do have the buckle for you guys to release it, because right now it's tied up together. And if you guys can see, for the one that we do have right here is a black color. They do have this available in a few other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. But here is this side, here is the side, and here's our side. So let's do unbuckle it. Take this part out. If you guys do fully open it, this is what the product looks like if you guys were open like this. So they do give you guys the option to hang on right here, or you can use the hanger right here. But you see how it's actually very spacious where you put a lot of stuff, and it do have different pockets. So the first one that we do have on top right here is like a mesh pocket. So we have to open up. That is what the inside looks like. So you do have the option to put stuff inside right here and then zip it up. And since it is a mesh pocket, you can put stuff inside, and that way it's breathable as well. And do have a very nice frame on here to actually give you guys support where you guys do use it when you do travel. And once you got it done, you just zip back up. Just like that. And then for the next one right here, if you guys do open up, here's another compartment for you to put stuff inside. And for this one, it does give you the divider, so that way you separate each different things. So maybe underwear here, socks here, t-shirt here, boxes here, and etc. So very cool how you have the option to separate stuff inside right here. So for example, if I do have something small, just put that in here. Maybe if I do have a charger, put it inside here. And feel free to put like other stuff here, maybe like a phone. Just like that, which is pretty cool. So very spacious for put a lot of stuff. And when you guys do look at the size of the product, it's actually pretty big, so it may not fit into your carry-on bag until when you guys do fold it up. Then you guys can take it out and then you can use it at the hotel, the apartment, or whatever. So I guess the wording when they mention it on the website is a little bit of a misleading like description. It's not really ideal for you guys to just put this into your luggage like this, because it will not fit. Maybe if you guys do put it into like your checked bag, then it will fit. But if you guys were to just put it in just like this, it probably won't be as ideal. It probably will not fit until when you guys close everything back up and then fold it back up together, then it will fit. But there is one more compartment in the bottom that I do want to show you guys. So we have to open up the zipper. There's another compartment for you to put stuff inside right here that has like the mesh pocket as well. But this one doesn't give you guys any zipper compartment. This one just hangs out like this. So it's kind of like an expandable option, which is pretty cool. So here's what the product looks like in the front. Here is the side, here is the back, and then here's this side. So you can see the product definitely looks very nice when you guys do take it out. And like I mentioned, once you get it done, feel free to zip everything back up and put it back together and strap it back together. Then you guys are all set. So the overall product itself is actually very small, very compact, and very portable for you to bring along when you guys are traveling, which is pretty cool. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality bag organizer to use when you guys are traveling to organize your different clothes, whether for this part right here. That also gives you guys the hanging option to hang it into your closet in your room. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.